not only taking very less food. मिताहार मतलब सबको समझता है कि taking less food. It is not less food. All the five senses are giving food for the soul. This is how you need to understand. According to Bhagavad Gita, yukta ahara viharasya yuktasya karmasya yukta swapnava bodhasya logo bhavati dukkha. Means ahara, vihara and sleep. So all these five senses are the windows, are the inputs for the soul. Through five senses we are taking food. So it should be optimal. Yuktam. Yuktam means optimal. Here the optimal means, see, for my body, I'll take 4 idli in the breakfast. So everybody will have their own, patterns. And being a medical doctor, because I am trying to serve patiently to my patient God, I have to listen them hours together. If I listen their sorrow, then definitely there is half of the solution will automatically happen. Nowadays, doctors don't have time. The patients also don't have time to share their problems. But being a common man and a housewife, they are not supposed to hear to the all patients God stories. If they are trying to tell their own sufferings and problems, just stop them and immediately make them to sit in meditation. Tell them that meditation is a single short solution. It is the only key. It can solve your problems. And tell them that there is a mad doctor GK. He will give you spiritual tablets later on, no problem. And first do meditation in front of me and give me promise that from today onwards you'll become vegetarian. That's it. Don't listen to any patient sufferings. Of course, if he is a close friend or a family member, definitely. But other than that, it is not your job. It is not an optimal diet for you. Just refer them to me. It is a diet, proper diet for me to listen to them hours together. So where to listen, where not to listen, where to speak, where not to speak, what to see, what not to see, what to touch, what not to touch. So these are all the optimal diet principles. So if we are doing this as a mismatch, that itself is the root reason which I understood in my medical practice in the last 24 years, especially for the hypertension and diabetes. All the hypertensives and diabetes, they are very bad with this tablet, optimal diet. They wrongly choose the diet patterns, means the inputs through all five senses. Suppose 1 week, without unnoticeably, you are taking wrong inputs, means these wrong inputs automatically create a lot of chaos inside. Again, you are making your own hypertension for the next 1 week, or even the diabetes. That stress itself will cause again the diabetes. So that's why if we are deliberately, if we are focusing properly on these five senses, what to take and what not to take, that itself conserves a lot of energy. The only thumb rule is we have to use all these five senses in two areas. One is wherever you are you are getting some spiritual wisdom, because spiritual wisdom is the key for all the success and for the happiness situations. That may be a comedy picture or some, music, or wherever you are getting some happiness for the mind. There you can open your five senses. And wherever you are getting some wisdom, there you can open. The rest of all the areas, just shut all the five senses and better go into meditation. The moment someone is trying to say some faulty words, then just focus the attention. That automatically saves your optimal diet. And of course, the silence, practicing silence is also very, very important so that your Vishuddha chakra will be maintained in a great way. In advanced spiritual tablets, we can learn much better about it. So here the optimal diet saves our energy. So that's why these six basic concepts which we try to understand today: the meditation, group meditation, full moon meditation, pyramid meditation, vegetarian diet, and silence and optimal diet. Optimal diet means all these five senses has to be maintained in a proper way. If you take a wrong diet, wrong input, that automatically disturbs the internal environment. So if you maintain these six very sincerely for 40 days, by that time, clearly we can understand the cosmic energy, how greatly it helps us inside. And once you amplify your energy, see, without money, we can't do anything in this society. The whole society moves only with money. Similarly, the spiritual world starts with cosmic energy, starts with energy. Without energy, being a patient or having a lot of problems in life, no doubt we are operating at low energy. Then only we attract all those problems. So if we amplify ourselves with a great energy, then that itself is a doorway to understand the wisdom behind that problems. And once you understand the wisdom, then automatically we can solve all those problems on a permanent basis. So with this, I want to conclude the first 6 spiritual tablets as an energy amplifiers in our life.